To remove either the front or rear doors on your vehicle, it's best to have another person to help and a clean, secure storage area for the doors. First, roll down the window to prevent any damage and turn the vehicle off. For the front, fold the outside mirrors to the fully closed position. Next, find the plastic wiring access panel next to the front or rear door and slide the cover off to detach the tabs and remove the cover. Do not try to pry it outward or with excessive force, or you could damage the cover. Now it's time to disconnect the front or rear wiring harness. On the front door, first, pull the cloth strap off the hook to provide more slack. Disconnecting the harness may involve opening security tabs, locking tabs, and a harness lever, and may differ slightly depending on your vehicle. For the rear door, there will also be a wiring harness that needs to be removed, whose style may again vary depending on your vehicle. Once removed, you can store either of the wiring connectors in their lower door baskets. With the door fully open, place one hand on the door to hold it steady. With the other hand, flip the check arm pin clip upward. Then, using a twisting motion, pull up on the check arm pin clip until it is fully removed from the bracket, and gently push the door and check arm out of the bracket. Place the check arm pin back into the bracket. Push the center of the check arm pin clip until you feel and hear 2 clicks. Ensure the check arm pin is fully retained in the bracket. Now, with the assistance of another person and with the door open 90 degrees, lift the door up. Your vehicle may include lifting points located at the bottom of the door for added assistance. Clear the hinge pins from the hinges and remove the door. Keep in mind, these doors are heavy. The help of a second person is necessary. Please use caution during removal and reinstallation. To reinstall the doors, carefully reverse these removal steps and start by locating the longer upper and lower hinge pins on the door and lower them on the body hinges until they are fully seated. Align the check arm pin hole to the hole in the check bracket. Place the check arm pin in the bracket and flip down the pin clip. You should hear 2 clicks to ensure the check arm is secure in the bracket. Now, reinstall the wiring connector, attach the cloth strap, and replace the wiring access panel. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.